What you saying, people? Back with a bang. Happy Tuesday. This is the money management. Let's talk money. Let's talk making money. How to make $200 in a day. So today I'm going to explain to you how I made $200 in a day. It's very simple, but it's very effective. And in the videos I've done in the past, I've explained certain things very similar to this, and I've got a lot of different feedback. Certain people saying, yeah, that's not really possible because this and that, it's not really realistic. Yeah, how can an average person do that, blah, blah, blah. And other people say, well done, great hustle, keep going, so much opportunity, I'm impressed. So again, I'm probably gonna get mixed feedback on this video. It's whatever. But I'm gonna explain to you how I did it and how you can do it as well. So as you guys know, there are so many people in this world, 7 billion, 7.2 or 7.3 billion in this world. Obviously a lot of them use, e-commerce, online buying. And so what do? Well, you go online yourself and you look for deals, look for sales, look for anything you can buy, multiple items for a decent price. So what did I do? I went online and picked up one of these. For any of you guys don't know what this is, it's a video doorbell. It's a wireless video doorbell. It's a doorbell, and you can also, see who's at the door, blah, 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 blah. So what did I do? Picked up 4 of these. It was came to about between $56 and $62 per piece, with shipping included, everything. So I got them. Now what did I do? After I purchased my 4, went online, listed them all. So when I say listed them all, what do I mean? I mean, opened it up, took some pictures, this and that, put them online, wrote a description, uploaded the pictures, everything. Now, how much did I list them for? Well, as I told you, I bought them for about $60. Listed them all for $120, because that's actually how much they should be going for. That's how much they're worth. That's how much they usually go for, if it's not on deals, if it's not on sales. So once I did that, guess what? Within 3 hours, I had at least 7 people messaging me about them. And now I'm thinking to myself, I should have bought more. First, I was thinking maybe 4 was, too many. After a few hours, I realized, no, okay, 4 was, too little. So, one thing I needed to do was obviously, see how I could work out how I was going to split 4 between 7 people. Fortunately, only 5 people ended up being actually interested because they realized I was not going to lower the price. And so, I used that to my advantage. Again, you've got to use platforms, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, Twitter. You can use anything, honestly, Craigslist, whatever you want. It's up to you. You've got to open your mind, be creative. Anyway, you list those online. I'm telling you, people bought them for 100, 105, obviously 120. Made my money back within hours. Go the next day, ship them out. When I bought them, I actually ordered next day shipping, so that was Amazon Prime. But you guys can, if you want, you can get them for cheaper because you can, use shipping which comes in 3-4 days, whatever's best for you. But my point here is, you literally need to find any items. It doesn't have to be a doorbell, it can be microphones, camera stands, earphones, it can be bed sheets, it can be pillows, it can be memory foam, it can be anything. Air fryers. And all you need to do is find these deals online, and they are there. Just gotta open your eyes and look for them. So, what have I started to do now? Well, obviously I've seen that the doorbells work. And so obviously you guys are probably gonna try the same thing. But like I said, there are many different items you can get. But I'm gonna get some more doorbells and keep going. See how many I can just, sell back to back to back. Because it seems to be working. And so why stop? $200 in a day. Honestly, it's 200 plus, because if I had bought 10 of these, I'm sure I could have sold 10 of them in a few days. Maybe 4, 5, 6 in a day. It really is possible. Anybody can do it. Honestly, anybody can do it. And the good thing about this is, if you buy 50, you have the potential to sell 50. There's no one telling you have to work this amount of hours, for this amount of money, this and that. No, it's up to you. You've got to see the opportunity. You've got to take a chance. You've got to take action. And again, 7.3 billion people in the world. All you need is maybe 5 to 10 people purchasing something from you every single day, and you're making your money within hours. It's not difficult, guys. The opportunity is there. Take a chance and make it happen. As you guys know, another online business I do, my smartwatches, Timegear watches. Make sure you check that out in the link in the description. Those kind of things. You buy these in bulk, design them how you want. Sunglasses, wallets, whatever it is, watches. List them online. Find buyers. 7.3 billion people in this world. There are buyers out there. It's up to you to find them. So check out other videos on this channel, guys. Let me know what you thought of this video. Whatever feedback you've got for me. Let me know if you've got to see, other different types of videos. Just let me know. But I've got money in the making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.